Do you know who they are?
Who?
The 313. The Mahdi's closest companions, 313 in number. It is one of the prerequisites. The Imam will only reappear when 313 immaculate believers are present on the earth.
Who are they?
From foreign lands all over the world, 313 men of true sincerity, the Ahlul Ikhlas. They will be of the utmost wisdom, humble, kind and pious, incredibly strong. They will have passed Imtihanul Qalb, the examination of the heart. They will know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and their Imam, the way in which they are meant to be known, as though they are in search of something which they have lost, and are now thoughtful and perplexed over the matter. Until a man who resembles the Prophet the most in creation appears before them from behind the veils of the Kaaba. They will ask him, "Are you the Mahdi?" He will reply, "Yes, I am the promised Mahdi."